The smell of burning and smoke that could be noticed in Luxembourg this past weekend originated from the massive wildfires currently raging across the border in Belgium and Germany. Firefighters are battling what has become Belgium's worst forest fire disaster on record. In the High Fens nature reserve, almost 3,000 hectares of vegetation have burned in just under 4 days, and the fire is still not under control. More than 250 firefighters, police officers, civil protection workers, military personnel and countless volunteers are currently battling the flames. Among them is an 11-person team from Luxembourg's fire brigade. Conditions remain difficult with rough terrain, shifting winds and thick smoke complicating operations. Extreme drought is adding to the challenge, allowing the fire to burn not only on the surface but also deep into the soil and roots. Luxembourg's authorities continue to monitor the smoke situation closely, but so far no significant health impact on the population has been identified. Stay up to date on rtltoday.lu.